A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a very interesting guest, Mr. Skanda Magal, Product Manager, Deratech Machine India Private Limited. It's good to meet you, Skanda, after 2 years.
Thank you, sir.
We are meeting on and off at trade shows at your booth for a very long time.
Yes.
So I wanted to start today's discussion about Deratech India. Uh, when what sort of solution you are selling, what sort of market you are dealing, more about your product range and anything and everything about Deratech.
Sure. So Deratech is a Belgium-based company. It
Mm-hmm.
was started by Mr. Bjorn Rabio, our chairman. We are a young brand.
Okay.
We are in the market 15 years, 16 years. All our R&D and design product development takes place in Belgium, in Westminster.
Okay.
And due to the complexities of the international market, for the Asian market, which is a very big market for us,
Okay.
we developed manufacturing plants in China.
Okay.
We have two plants in Shanghai
Okay.
and two in Taisang.
Okay.
So we do about 2000, press brakes a year,
Okay.
200, 250 lasers,
Okay.
200, 250 punching
Okay.
globally.
Okay.
We have a presence in around 43 nations, 43 countries
Okay.
over the world. So we are a young brand, but a multinational brand
Okay.
catering to the sheet metal of India. Our board looks is very bullish on India
Okay.
due to certain governmental policies and everything of the current government and general climate of the country. It's suited to be a very big and good market for
Correct.
brands like us.
Okay.
Currently, we do press brakes, which is our top selling product.
Okay.
Uh, we have three variants: one Classica, Technica, Ultima. So
Okay.
basic, little bit mid range, and then the top class
Okay.
of the thing. Our USP is we give European technology at affordable price for the Asian market.
Okay.
Because of our manufacturing plants in China, we can
Okay.
achieve those volumes
Okay.
and batch sizes. So our cost is comparatively economic
Okay.
to our European counterparts, is our belief.
Okay.
And the technology is completely from Europe. The hydraulics that we use, the pneumatics that we use, the controllers, the electronics, everything is all European technology, European brands. So we believe we have the right fit for India, giving the legacy technology of the Europeans, what they are very good at, using that and using the positivity of the Chinese and China climate of manufacturing at scale,
Okay.
of achieving that cost to technology ratio is something we pride ourselves in and which we are very good at.
And how do you see Indian sheet metal industry moving according to you?
See, Indian sheet metal industry right now is very competitive. There are a lot of players in the market, and because of the certain raw materials and some things are at a premium, so margins are very thin for them. And spending money on machines right now, they think 10 times before doing it. So the future is automation.
Okay.
Heavily, we have to now we cannot automate completely. Semi-automation, certain material handling, pick and place robots, certain assistive jobs that can be done by machines. So production yield will be increased and cost per component, cost per part will reduce, which will allow MSMEs to be competitive in the market. And labor is also expensive now because of the gig economy of Swiggy and Zomato.
Okay.
Uh, Labor force is not available to us
Okay.
MSMEs at the salaries and points which they were available before. So that is the challenge our MSMEs are facing. So that is the reason I see Indian sheet metal growing because of sheer consumption.
Yes.
We are 1.4, 1.5 billion people country, and
Yeah.
we will consume
Correct.
such goods at a higher rate. Washing machines, fridges, TVs, everything. Consumer goods will increase. Automotive will increase. As you can see in economic times, they said there's the most cars sold last year in
Yes.
2023. 45 lakh cars total sold.
Correct.
So everything is increasing, and for that we need to be competitive in the market. And I see there's a lot of maturity in customers now. They talk technology and talk what they can get out of the machine other than just the price or the discounts that were given or the financial part. The technology and other variables are showing more importance, and we love to serve our customers in those fields.
As people say that the future of a country lies in the youth, and I can see Skanda, the way you are sharing your valuable insight. I see the nation is in great hand,
Thank
and
you.
we are at Imtex, and today is day two. I wanted to ask what sort of machines you are exhibiting, what sort of solution you are giving, and how is the response overall for you?
So this Imtex this year we have not we have kept one machine, which is the
Okay,
press brake, our entry level press brake.
okay,
We want to capture with this product. We want to capture emerging markets.
okay.
As you see in Bangalore, real estate is very expensive, and all factories are moving outside to
Yes,
towns like Hassan, Mysore,
yes.
Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, Trichy, tier 2, tier 3 towns, Nanded, Nashik. Even in NCR area, they are moving out to
Yes,
Gurgaon, to Faridabad, to
correct.
other places. These customers are not at that stature where they can buy a top of the line product.
Yes.
Right now, they're just venturing into the sheet metal space. So this is our target market, to educate the customer of our product and to sell. And this is my mission, to target the tier 2, tier 3 markets,
Okay.
so that we build sheet metal at the get go itself. We get them used to quality, we get them used to precision, we get them used to accuracy, and that's how the market will mature and go. So this is our main idea for Imtex 2024, is to meet customers from different parts of the country geographically and to capture the emerging markets that are available to us.
People, not people say it's said that India lives in rural, and like you rightly said, tier two, tier three cities is growing, and like in Bangalore, only factories are moving to Dabaspet because of green zone and sustainability, lot of things. 2024 plans. I know it's a busy day for you, Skanda, because the event is live. What are your plans for 2024 in terms of growth for Deratech?
Growth, I'm looking at a, for I'm bullish, so I'm looking at 35% growth
Okay,
this year. I
okay,
want to put installations in every part of the country.
okay.
Customers are maturing and they are accepting younger and newer brands
Yes,
in this space
yes.
other than the legacy brands. I mean, I have nothing against older legacy brands, but yes, there is a space for us which we want to capture. And my mission as product manager of this company is to educate the customer,
Correct.
bridge the gap between the commercial and the technical, and explain to them how technology is viable commercially for them, and how your machine directly impacts your EBITDA or your PAT values, and how your chartered accountant will feel happy
Correct.
with these machines on the shop floor. That is my aim, that is my role, and life is great. I'm having fun. So, emerging market to capture. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, do visit Deratech booth at hall number 5, and it's my personal request. Do whenever you visit Deratech, do meet Skanda, uh, a very thorough professional, and I know him for a very long time. And it was great to interact with you, Skanda,
thank you, sir.
and wish you a successful Imtex and a great 2024.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you
great
very
day.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.